Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your username in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zello app. And here it opens up in the contacts menu. From here we just go into the top right corner, tap on the three dots, then tap on options, and then we tap on profile. Now here in the top right corner we have a little pencil, tap on that, and then here we can just set our username. For example, we just type in jam and then tap on save, and then that's going to be our username. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.